Good morning, listeners, and happy Dhanteras to all of you. Today, we will start with global markets as US markets close in the new highs. Dow Jones touched the high of 36,000 and EV giant Tesla extended a rally. The 10-year yield, dollar, as well as crude, they are still at an unchanged levels ahead of the Federal Reserve's meeting, which is going to start from today, and the outcome of which will come in the Thursday morning. The policy review is coming amid price pressure stoked by most widespread US supply crunch since oil crisis of 1973. If we go through with our markets, then since Friday the market was trying and struggling to sustain the levels of 17,900, where the market was having very good support when the market was falling from the highs of 18,600 levels, but eventually the market broke the level and it closed below that. So gaining 17,900 is certainly positive for the market, and based on that we can expect further more activity in the market. The next level to watch out for would be 18,000, as huge amount of call writing is there, and again if we go through with some extensions and retracements, then 18,000 is going to act as major resistance for the market. In case if we see the market is crossing the level of 18,000, then the next level to watch out for would be 18,200, and the market will start accelerating to move towards the levels of 18,200. So 18,000 is the crucial level to watch out for in today's date. The market has spent maximum time around 18,200, so that way also it is going to act as major resistance. And in case if we see the market is failing, or maybe if it starts reversing sharply after hitting the levels of 18,200, then we may see some more correction in the market. But otherwise, in the near term, in the short term, we are expecting market to move towards 18,200 levels, and there we need to take some profit on long positions, or we should look for reducing some long positions. In case if we see the market is dropping to the levels of 17,800, then there we should look for adding some long positions, as 17,800 now is going to act as support, which was earlier resistance for the market. So 17,800 and 18,000 is the range for the day, and based on that we can design our trading strategy. The Bank Nifty also recovered very well from the lows. Now 40,000 is going to act as resistance for it, and above that we can expect 40,200, 250 on the higher side. For the day we are expecting activity in technology, financials, as well as in auto companies. And if we go through with FI's action, then FIs have created some long positions on index futures as well as on the calls. Retailers have reduced their positions. Maybe they have taken profit on their long positions, or they have reduced after rally in the market. But broadly, if we see the positions of FIs, then they have created some long positions on the FNM, and on the cash segment also they sold nearly 200 crores. So there is some specific we can say bullish bias in the near term from FIs, and that's the reason the strategy should be to look for adding positions if there is any correction in the first part of the day. Friends, that's all from my side for the day. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in, and have a great day to all of you.